Hi guys, I'm Chandni Goyal, a Boddess ambassador and your in-house beauty expert. Today I'll be showing you how I do my brows using my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills products. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the ABH Brow Primer. Now this is a colorless wax pencil and one swipe and your job is done. I'm using this product because it'll help my eyebrow filler product to glide on much more smoothly and make my life simpler. So just one swipe. So the next product that I'm going to be taking is the Brow Powder Duo. Now this is one of my personal favorites because once it comes on, it looks really natural. It's a powder formula and it comes in two shades. I've matched according to my natural hair color, so I'm using the shade dark brown. What I'm going to be doing is using the darker shades towards the arch and the tail and the lighter shade towards the beginning, so it creates like a natural ombre effect. So let's get started. Okay, so this is how my eyebrows look after using the Brow Powder Duo. Isn't it amazing the kind of difference it adds? So another product that I'm going to be using is the Brow Wiz, again in the shade dark brown. I'm using this because it adds a lot of detail and a lot of dimension to the eyebrow that I've created here. It's an ultra slim retractable pencil and it's a combination of wax and pigment. So just a few strokes and I'm going to add a little detail. Okay, so finally, before I finish, I'm going to highlight my brows using the highlighting duo pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Again, I really like this pencil because it has a matte side to it and a shimmery side to it. The matte side I like to use towards the beginning and then I flip my pencil and I use the shimmery as a highlighter. The highlighter can also be used on the high points of the face, like the cheekbones and the inner corner of my eye, like how I've used. And I just like to use my fingertips to blend this. So it further adds a lot of lift. And finally, I'm going to set my eyebrow hair in place using the clear brow gel. Now this gel is particularly really good because it's got hyaluronic acid and chamomile, which really helps in hydrating and plumping up the eyebrows. So just 5-6 strokes. And my eyebrow hair is set in place. So as you can see, it makes such a big difference by just doing your eyebrows very nicely. Your eyes get a frame, your facial features look much more accentuated. And so this is how I do my eyebrows. If you guys want to know which products are going to work best for you and the shades, you can log on to boddess.com and use the chat pop-up and have a one-on-one consultation with me. Or you can also send us your queries on our social media page, Boddess Beauty. I'll be back soon. Until then, see you guys soon. Stay safe. Bye-bye.